My name is Sonia. I'm an architect and former university lecturer. I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a floor plan by hand. The class is designed for you to be able to watch and draw along as you go. So we're going to be using my bedroom as the example room, and I've included some pictures so you can see all of the different items as you're going. I'm going to start off by telling you which kind of tools to use, so the pens and pencils that you'll need, and also show you some of the architectural lines and talk about line weight, so line hierarchy. We're going to dive right into the floor plan and the layout with structure, windows and doors. Then we're going to go into furniture, add some detail and some character into the space, look at how to communicate different textures and materials, and then finish off by adding a person in plan view. This class is perfect for beginners. You don't need any experience. However, if you do have some experience within drawing floor plans, interior design or architecture, then it will be a good exercise for you to gain a bit of practice. Feel free to take pictures as you go so you can see your progress and development, and remember to add the final piece into the project gallery so I can see your work. Thanks for choosing this class. Let's get started.